a chrome bumper C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. And a cool color. It's kind of this medium smoky gray. It looks incredible on this car. And that's right, underneath the hood, 427 V8 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, recently rebuilt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front, paint on the nose of the car. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. You may find a couple little imperfections. Maybe there's been a little bit of touch up here and there, but overall, you can see paint on this car shows well. Of course, T-tops, and they are the painted to match T-tops. You'll see still pictures with the tops on, tops off. You'll also see the underside, engine bay, storage area behind the seats. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right to our website if you're watching on YouTube. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Cooper Cobra radials, rally wheels, painted to match, Chevrolet Motor Division center caps, beauty rings. Look great on this car. Let's take a look down the passenger side. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood, start it up, let you hear it run. I'll get into a few more details underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, center console with the bucket seats, aftermarket AM, FM cassette stereo. That is working. By the way, the wipers are electric in this car, as well as that wiper door, so no problems there. New canisters and vacuum lines for the headlamps. No problems there. There's chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Of course, the dual exhaust. I believe headers also. We'll take a peek when we're underneath the hood. Technician noted no shakes or vibrations. It brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Some minor powertrain seeps. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, go. Have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And if you like Corvettes, no matter what vintage, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online, right off our showroom floor. Either one, take your pick. And for those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. We appreciate it. You can always help us out and share any of the videos that you see that you know somebody may like. Share our channel. We appreciate it. There's a good look at the interior so you can see seats really free of any rips, tears, holes. That 4-speed manual. It does have a limited slip differential too, by the way. I think we need to start this up. Let's hear it run. And of course, look underneath the hood. There it is, that big block firing right up, 427. You can see tack is working, bounces a little, kind of common in these, I know. Take a look at the gauge cluster. The lights, my door ajar here, by the way. Fuel gauge, that came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that water temp to be up. Oil pressure up. Voltmeter, clock in op. Let's take a look. Stereo working. Dash looking good. Watch the headlights. There they are. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds good. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Headlights back down. And how about under the hood? Hey, good looking engine bay. We got some chrome dress up underneath there with the valve covers, air cleaner cover, alternator, HEI ignition, and yes, we have headers down there. It's like aluminum radiator. Running smooth. You can see new electric wiper motor over there. You can see the new canisters down here also. And we have those tops safely off to the side. Those will go back on the car. And if you want to see pictures of them on the car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. God, I love this color. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Corvette and what I might call like a pewter, great looking silver-like color with a black interior, a 4-speed manual right here between the seats, a little bit of traffic I'm waiting for, turn signal indicator working great, tachometer also working as it should. We are clock equipped down there. I don't see the clock counting the seconds, but it is clock equipped. Fuel gauge reads almost full. The water temperature coming up on a quarter of the way up the gauge. I guess we hit the traffic today. But we can talk about the gauges. The volts are over 14 gauges where they should be. Oil PSI, a very nice gauge with a needle pointing at the 40 right now. Those are factory looking gauges. Fun to drive Corvette, plenty of power. Clutch feels good, shifts easily. Nice chrome ball style shifter. T-tops over my head, body colored T-tops. Remove those for the open car driving experience. Comfortable bucket seats, of course, in this Corvette. Radio does work, it sounds good. Don't you love her as she's walking out the door? Perfect timing. The blower motor working as it should as well in this car, moving a little bit of air today. We're going to check out the brakes and we're going to take some corners up here. A little bit of slack in the steering, not too much, and somewhat expected in an older car. I'm going to stay in third to get a little force in this corner. Brakes are nice and smooth. Oh yeah, that corner's the way a Corvette should. Hugs the ground nicely. And yeah, when you put your foot down, it really picks up that front end a little bit. Plenty of power in this Corvette from 1969. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.